Hey guys, it's Liv, and today I am doing a room tour. So let's start out with this really cute fluffy chair that I absolutely love. And then right above me I have this really cool DIY arrow with 3 Bible verses I got from this really cool store I go to a lot. And it's just one of my many DIY things I have in my room. So next to my bed I have this really cool oil diffuser. Right now I have the Stress Relief Essential Oil on it. It just fumes my room with stress-free, and I love it so much. Moving on, I have my bed. It's my favorite part of my room. And hung on my little backboard, I have some Christmas lights. It makes my room really cute and gives a little more light to it. So the newest addition to my room is the confetti wall and this gold gallery wall. All of this was inspired by this painting that my mom and Olivia # made while they were filming a video at my house. And this is my favorite quote that my mom made. It says, "Do your best because your best is amazing." That really inspires me to do everything I do. It motivates me to get up in the mornings and go to school. And then just to throw kindness around like confetti wall. One of the newest additions. This is my desk. We got this desk from IKEA. And then a little DIY. We painted it gold to match the rest of my theme for my room. I just have a lot of crayons and pens and fun coloring stuff because I like to do the little adult coloring books. They just calm me down a lot and I love them. And up here I have my bulletin board. I like to collect stickers, I guess you can say, from beaches just as memories. So this is my closet. This is where I get ready in the morning, do my makeup. I have a bunch of clothes here. I love to wear hats at the beach or just on a sunny day. Yeah, I mean, there's not much to it. So all my clothes. Then I have some purses up here. So every morning, this is where I do my makeup. Just have a bunch of makeup brushes, cool LED lights to help me with my lighting. And then all of these drawers are filled with makeup. I love makeup so much. So over here I have my Lucky Sloth for cheer on top of my cheer bag. His name is Slothy Joe. And I just have my combos from the past 7 seasons, other than one. I didn't get one last year because I had a huge knee surgery. And just keep going over here. I have all my medals from the past 7 years. In the last corner of my closet, I just have a little yoga ball and then a mirror where I try and close in the morning. Then over here I have my Bible. Just a cute little jar that has some Bible verses in it. And yeah. That was my room tour. I enjoyed filming this video so much. Comment down below what your favorite part was. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!